Okay, so here is yet another great way of using Framer as an LMS or teaching courses, creating private content, let's say, for your Gumroad clients, for your Podia community, for Buy Me a Coffee clients, etc. I mean, if you have people buying digital products from you and you want like a teachable style video LMS, Framer actually does this really, really well. So a lot of the things I see out there in the world for Framer and sort of course content, to my eye, are not really ideal. I think for something like giving people, let's say, a digital product and then video tutorials, this sort of template is much more useful. So this is you can see here. Let's see if I show you what it looks like here. So this is like almost like a masterclass style template, and it organizes your tutorials really, really nicely. All right, so you can have different categories. It has the video count. It has them sequentially staggered, or at least there's a, the ability to have them like one, two, three, four, five, and they pull the featured image from YouTube or Vimeo, which makes them also very useful. And yeah, just a great workflow would be setting up a Gumroad product. Someone buys the Gumroad product, they get, let's say, a digital download of some kind, or not. You can even just offer this on the back end, right? So someone buys your Gumroad product and immediately has a link to something like this. Let's see if I can actually pull this up live. This is actually linking, unfortunately, it looks like, to um, our Pathright schools. You can see here, which I really kind of don't want to show anything too, too much because people's names would be on the screen, which is not fair. But you could actually just link this to whatever you wanted. But let's go here, and this will bring up the template itself, so you can see what that looks like. This is actually the light version of that template rather than the dark version, which you were looking at on my side. But yeah, it's really, really useful, and it has a very like sort of you know masterclass kind of design. And you just input. I'll show you really quickly here. You just input the videos here, right? So you can see this is the amount of videos. They're all organized by ID. So the number one video starts with the first video, and then you keep going sequentially throughout the selections, and then you organize them by dint of categories. You can see here all the product updates 14, 15, and 16 are all product updates. 13 and 12 are customer stories, how to guides 8 through 11, tutorials 5 through 7, and then getting started 1 through 4. Essentially, that just organizes the structure of your courses. So, course 1 could be Framer, course 2 or collection 2 could be Card, collection 3 could be Gumroad, etc. And you would just, kind of organize them around your own areas of interest, experience, and expertise. Okay, doke, really easy. You don't need some sort of like gated, Framer plugin or component, to restrict content, etc. I'm a dummy when it comes to Framer, so simple things serve very useful purposes in my own, business life. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you're interested in joining our private community, leave a comment in the box below. Thanks so much. I appreciate you, and have a wonderful day.